classic. Original classic. Original classic. Original classic.
What's up, everybody? Finally making another video today. Finally get to show off my newest car. The weather's pretty crap, but it is what it is when it's January, right? So let's check it out. There it is, my 2000 Civic SIR. Pretty stock. Nothing serious, but you know, I get to work on a clean canvas. She needs a little bit of love. I don't know if you can tell, but the headlights are yellowing. A little bit foggy. Couple scuffs on the lip. One thing that really bothers me is it's missing the SIR logo. I do have it. I'm gonna put it on today. But yeah, it's pretty much a new car. Check out the inside. The inside's pretty mint. There's one thing you'll notice that's missing are the seats. The guy before me took them and he put them in an EK. The back seats are SIR, but not the front. Yeah, not bad. Like I said, I did have the SIR badge. Shout out JL Sorensen at Honda Overtime. Yeah, she hooked it up. And it's gonna go back where it belongs. Let's get that on there. Alright, so I just took the glue off, or the double-sided tape. Put some new one on there right now. Alright, today's another day. Today we're gonna actually work on the headlights. Took them off. Yeah, I'm gonna try to polish them with this product here. Never used it before, but looked online, seemed like the easiest one. So yeah, let's give it a try. I think it's supposed to look scuffed up pretty evenly everywhere. See some spots here, probably do it all over again. Yeah. Alright, I didn't want to bore you with the other side, but both of them are looking pretty scuffed up evenly. Well, it says to wipe it with a damp towel and let it dry. All right, the next step is to spray 2 coats of this stuff on there. Damn, it turned out pretty good. Pretty good product. I would recommend it. It's easy. It's not that difficult to use. It turned out pretty good.